Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, welcome you all in Pakistan International School Taif Virtual Learning System. Today is our 27th video lecture for grade 7 students. Chapter number 7 we will start today. In our previous lecture, we study about the law of exponent. That was chapter number 4, which was included in your syllabus. So we discuss all the concepts related to the law of exponent. Now we will study chapter number 7, exercise 7.1, question number 1, first two parts included, and then question number 2, question number 3, and question number 4. In exercise 7.2, number 3, 4, and 6 are included, and in number 7.3, exercise 7.3, from question number 1 to 5, first 5 questions are included, and review exercise question number 2 and 3 is included, not 1. Question number 2 and 3 is included from review exercise. So in this chapter we study about the journal sale tax. In Pakistan, the basic items, some basic items, on some basic items there is no tax, in which the vegetables, rice, etc. So in these some things the tax is not included, and the standard rate of sale tax according to your book is 17%, means that 17% is the standard rate. Property tax is vary from in different provinces. The property tax is different, but the flat rate is 2%. So question number 1, exercise 7.1, you have given, calculate the price that a customer has to pay for each article with a 16% journal GST, means journal sale tax, imposed on it. Means that if you have anything want to buy, for example its original price is 500 or 100. For example, if its original price is 100, and if it is 16% tax, so means that on 100, the item which original price is 100, so the shopkeeper will give you on 116, because on each item you have to pay 16% tax. So here the first part, if you check, you have given football rupees 800. So means the football original price is 800. You have to find the total uh, price which you pay after including 16% journal sell tax. So the price of the football is rupees 800. Tax is 16%. GST is 16% of rupees 800, means that 16% you will pay on 800. That will be 16%, means this percent sign means divide by 100. So 16 by 100, of means multiplication 800. So these two zeros cancel with two zeros. So 16 multiply 8, you get 128 rupees. Means that the football original price is 800, and the tax on football 16% tax will be 128 rupees. So the total price which the customer will pay, that will be the original price of the football 800, and that 16% tax 128. So total price will be 928. So 928 you will pay. Again I'm going to repeat it. Look, the football price is 800 rupees. You have to pay 16% GST, journal sale tax 16%, tax is 16%. So journal sale tax 16% on how much of rupees 800. For 800 rupees, how much tax you will pay for 60, up to 16%. So 16% means 16 by 100, multiply 800. So these two zeros cancel with two zeros. So 16 multiply 8, 128 rupees, means that for 800, 16% tax is 128 rupees. So the customer has to pay. So means that the customer will pay to the shopkeeper how much? 800 plus 128. So 928 rupees. Come to the second part. Second part is rackets. That is rackets. By mistake it's written. I'll make it correct. Rackets. So rackets price is 1250, means 1250 rupees. So 1250 rupees is the price of the rackets, and the tax price is, the tax percent is 16%. So general sale tax for this price is 16% of rupees 1250. So 16% means 16 by 100 multiply 1250. So you solve it with your calculator. 16 multiply with 1250 and then divide by 100. So you get rupees 200. So 200 is the amount of tax, so that you will pay on that much price. So the customer has to pay the total price of the rackets plus the tax. So the total price will be 1450 rupees the customer has to pay. Again, I'm going to repeat. Rackets price is 1250. The price of the rackets is this. Tax is 16%. This is already given in the question that you have to calculate 16%. So 16% of rupees, this 16% means 16 out of 100, 16 by 100. Multiply 1250 rupees. So you multiply with this and divide by 100. So you get rupees 200. Customer has to pay the total price 1250 and plus tax 200. So it will be 1450 rupees. Now come to the next question. Question number 2. Find the property tax on a property of worth rupees 9,48,000 at the rate of 1.5%. Means that you have to find the tax amount. The property, find the property tax of rupees. Property worth is 9,48,000. And how much tax you will pay? 1.5%. So you have to find the amount of the tax. So property worth is how much? 9,48,000. And rate of tax is 1.5%. You have to find the property tax. So 1.5% of rupees 9,48,000, 1.5% means 1.5 divided by 100 multiply 9,48,000. So when you multiply 1.5 with 9,48,000, divide by 100 with your calculator, so you get rupees 14,220. So this is the tax amount which you have to pay on the worth of 9,48,000 property with the percentage 1.5%. Again, find the property tax. Property tax you are going to find. The worth of the property is 9,48,000 and rate of tax is 1.5%. So property tax will be 1.5% of rupees 9,48,000. So 1.5% means divide by 100, multiply 9,48,000. So when you calculate with your calculator, you get 14,220 rupees. So property tax on this much worth 9,48,000 is rupees 14,220. Come to question number 3. Question number 3 is Haris paid the property tax of rupees 2068 at the rate of 0.84%. Find the worth of property. Student, this is the inverse of question number 2. In question number 2, worth of property is given, percentage of tax is given. You find the amount of the tax. Here you have given the amount of a tax, that much tax is the amount of a tax, and rate of the tax is also given. You have to find the worth of a property, that on how much property you have to pay 2068 rupees if you pay at 0.8%. So what will you do? Property tax is that much, tax rate is 0.8%. Worth of property you don't know, you have to find. So 0.8% of the worth of property is rupees that much, 2068. So 1% of the worth of property will be rupees 2068 divided by 0.8. So 100% of the worth of property, you have to find the 100% worth of the property. So 2068 divided by 0.8 multiply by 100. So you get 2,58,500. So this is the worth of property. Again, I'm going to repeat. You have given the property tax rupees 2068 already given, tax rate is already given 0.8%. Worth of property you are going to find. For 0.8%, the worth is this 2068. For 1% of the worth is this divided by 0.8, you know that. So for 100% of the worth of property will be 2068 by 0.8 multiply by 100. So you get the total worth of the property, which is 2,58,500. Number 4, property tax is rupees this. Again, you have given the property tax was paid when the worth of property is already given. Find the percentage of property tax. Means that in first question you have given the worth of property and rate of tax. You have to find the amount of tax. In the third question, the amount of tax is given and the percentage is given. You have to find the worth of property. And now in the fourth question, you have given the property tax, that much tax they will pay, and the amount of the property means the worth of the property given. You have to find the percentage of property tax. So worth of property tax is rupees 18,720. Worth of property is 15,60,000. 15,60,000. So percentage of tax you have to find. You know that, student, if you want to find the percentage, so the worth of property tax divided by the total property multiply by 100. So you get the percentage of the tax. If you want to find anything percentage, so the worth of property tax divided by the total worth of property, you multiply by 100%. So 1.2%. Now we will start next exercise 7.2. In 7.2, question number 3, 4 and 6 is included. Number 3 is, here you have given if 16% profit on a mobile set is rupees 832. Find the cost price. Students, you know that the profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. The profit percent formula, you know that you already studied in junior class is that the profit divided by the cost price multiply with 100. So this is the formula of the profit percent. So here you have given the profit 16% profit on a mobile set. Mobile set is 832 cost. Find the cost price of mobile. Cost price you are going to find. Here you have given profit percent 16%. Profit is rupees 832. You have to find the cost price. You know that profit percent, this is the formula, you will memorize it. Profit percent is equal to profit divided by cost price multiply by 100%. So profit percent is given 16%, so you put 16 here. Profit is given 832, so in place of profit you put 832, and cost price you have to find, so you write cost price as it is, multiply by 100% like this. Profit percent given 16%, profit is 832, cost price you don't know, multiply by 100. So here 100 is multiply shifted at other side, so it will be divide 16 by 100, and 832 is multiply shifted at other side, so it will be divide. So it will be given like this, cost price, or you can shift it these two values, cost price divide here, shifted it here, so it will be multiply 16 in multiplication shifted at this side, so divide 832 divided by 16 multiply 100, because percent cancel from both sides. So with your calculator, 832 multiply 100 divided by 16, you get rupees 5200. So this is the cost price. Again, profit percent given 16%, mobile set price given, profit price given 832, you have to find the cost price. Formula is profit percent, profit divided by cost price multiply 100%. This is the profit percentage formula. So profit percent is 16%, you put it here. Profit is given 832, you put it here. Cost price you are going to find, so as it is, multiply by 100%. So here 16 is in numerator, multiplication shifted at this side, it will come in division, cost price in division, shifted at equality other side in multiplication. So cost price 832 divided by 16 multiply by 100, so you get this 5200. Come to question number 4. Zia bought an out of order clock for rupees 750. Means that the clock is not working, out of order. So he buy it in 750 and got it repaired. Means that he repaired it to make it working. So how much he pay on repairing? 425. So the total cost price will be what? 750 plus 425, because on 750 he buy, but he also spent for repairing 425. So the total cost price will be 750 plus 425. What should be the selling price of the clock if Zia wants to earn 25% profit? Okay, half statement is given, but Zia bought out of an order clock rupees 750 and got it repaired for 25. What should be the selling price of clock if Zia wants to earn 25% profit? He wants to earn 25% profit. Look, price of clock rupees 750, got repaired 425. So total cost price will be what? The price and repairing price 1175. Profit he want to earn 25%. This is already given in the question. So the profit percent formula, you know that profit percent is equal to profit divided by cost price multiply by 100%. The percent cancel from both sides. Profit percent is 25. Profit is not given, we are going to find it, and cost price is 1175 rupees multiply by 100. Now this 100 multiply here, shifted at other side, divide 1175, divide here, shifted at other side, multiply. and profit will be 25 multiply 1175 divided by 100. With your calculator, when you multiply 25 with 1175 and divide by 100, so you get 293.75. This is profit, but you want to find the what should be the selling price. You want to find sale price. So profit formula is what? This is the profit percentage formula. Profit formula is what? Sale price minus cost price. So profit is 293.75. Sale price we don't know, and cost price is 1175. Here this value is subtracted when shifted at equality other side with 293. So it will be added. When you plus both, you get 1468.75 rupees. So this is the sale price. Again, I'm going to repeat. Zia bought an out of order clock. Its price is 750 rupees. He got it repaired on 425. So the total price will be, by adding the price of the clock and the repairing price, so that is 1175. Profit percent is given 25%. So profit percent formula, you know that profit percent, profit divided by cost price multiply 1000. Profit is 25. Profit we don't know. Cost price is 1175 multiply 100. So this 100 multiply here, shifted at other side, it will go in division. 1175 divide here, shifted at other side, it will multiplication. So by solving with your calculator, you will get 293.75 rupees. So profit, this is the profit. You have to find the sale price because the question is asking for sale price. So profit formula, this is the profit percent formula. Profit formula is sale price minus cost price. So profit value you put below profit, sale price you don't know, so you write sale price as it is. Cost price is 1175. So this 1175 subtracted when you want to find sale price, so you shift it with the profit with 293. So it will be added. When you add, you get 1468.75. Come to the next exercise. Question number 6 is same as question number 4. So that will be your homework. Question number 3, 4 and 6 is included. So 6 is same as question number 4. So you will do it by yourself. That will be your homework. Come to 7.3. In 7.3, the first 5 questions you have to solve. Question number 1 is an amount of rupees 62,480 remained with Nosheen for a complete year. How much zakat will she pay? You have to find the zakat on this amount. You know that the amount which remain with Nosheen is this much. You have rate of zakat is 2.5%. Means that on each 100 rupees you have to pay 2.5 rupees zakat. Okay, so you this is the from the this is the Islamic ratio which is given, that on money you have to pay 2.5% zakat. This is fixed value. So zakat is 2.5% of rupees 62,480. 2.5% means 2.5 divided by 100 multiply 62,480. So 2.5 you multiply with 62,480 with your calculator and then divide by 100. You get rupees 1,562. Means that if someone having 62,480 rupees, so he will pay zakat. If in 1 year he having this for 1 year, so he or she will pay 1,562 rupees. So Nosheen has to pay rupees 1,562 as zakat. Question number 2 is Sabah paid rupees 2,250 is zakat. This is the amount of zakat. Okay, what is the worth of her wealth? This is the inverse of the previous question. In previous question we have know the worth of the wealth and we find the zakat. Here zakat is given and we have to find the wealth. So amount of zakat is 2250 and rate of zakat, this is fixed 2.5%. So 2.5% of Saba's wealth is rupees 2250. 1% of her wealth, this is just like the question which we already solved in exercise 7.1. 1% of her wealth is 2250 divided by 2.5. So 100% of her wealth is 2250 divided by 2.5, multiply 100. So 100 multiply with 2250 divide by 2.5. So we get rupees 90,000. So the worth of Sabah wealth is rupees 90,000. Again, amount of zakat is this much. Rate of zakat is 2.5%. For 2.5% wealth is this much. 1% of her wealth is the total amount divided by zakat percentage. 100% of her wealth is this value multiply with 100. So you get the total wealth. Number 3 is same as question number 2. So it is your homework. Number 4 is Salim earned rupees 1 lakh 14,700 from a rice crop and paid usher at the rate of 5%. You know, on the wealth, the rate is 2.5% and usher rate is the rate on the crop. For example, rice, wheat. For this, the usher rate is different for different values. Look, ushar means the tax, or you can say that the zakat which you paid on agriculture products. 10% ushar will be on that crops which is done by natural irrigation land. Means that they get the water with rain, they get the water from rain. But the usher is 5% on the agriculture products if the land watered by artificial means that if the irrigation they do with a tube well and well, etc. Okay, so means that on the agriculture products when they produce the agriculture products with the help of the rainy land. So from where they grow the crop with the help of rain, then the usher rate or the zakat rate, you can say that the usher rate is 10%. But if they give the water with artificial means with the help of the tube well, etc., so the usher rate will be 5%. So maybe it will come in MCQs, so you should know these things. Okay, they say that Salim earned rupees this much from rice crop and paid usher at 5%. Means that for rice they will irrigate with the help of the artificial means like tubewell, etc. Okay, so Salim earned rupees that much. Rate of usher is 5%. So we are going to find the amount of usher. So amount of usher is 5% of total earning. So 5 divided by 100, multiply this value, so we get 5,735. So this is, you can say that the zakat rate, the usher rate. Number 5 is Nabil sold apple for rupees 3,98,160 and paid 10% as usher. Find the amount of usher. Again, same, sale price of apple is given that much, rate of usher 10%. So amount of usher 10% of the total earning. So 10 divided by 100, multiply total earning. So when you calculate, you will get this answer. So this was the last question of this exercise. Now review exercise. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. The tax which is received on a property is called the property tax. The tax a buyer pays to the seller at the time of buying things is called sale tax. Means that when we buy something from the shop, the tax which we pay to the shopkeeper, that is called sales tax. An amount added to a cost price to calculate the sale price is called a markup. This concept was not included in your syllabus, but you should know that the amount added to a cost price to calculate the sale price is called markup. Zakat and Ushar are lived as ordered in the Quran and Sunnah. You know that the Zakat and the Ushar which we pay, Zakat, you know that on the property, on the wealth, and Ushar is on the agriculture products. So this order is given in the Holy Quran and Sunnah. So Quran and Sunnah. A markup is amount added to cost price. So this is not, but the MCQs, it will may become so cost price to calculate the sale price. The third question, MCQs, you will do it by yourself. Ushar means what? Ushar means 1/10. Ushar means 1/10. The tax which a buyer pays to the seller is called general sale tax. An amount that we earn after selling a thing is called profit. Okay, so these MCQs you will do it by yourself. So your homework is exercise 7.2 question number 6, and question number 6 is just like question number 4 exercise 7.2. So 7.2 question number 4 will help you to solve number 6. 7.3 question number 3 is included, and question number 3 is just like question number 2. So question number 2 will help you to solve question number 3, and the review exercise MCQs question number 3. If any difficulties, so you ask in Zoom meeting class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.